Look at these thumbnails. I stopped hiring my thumbnail designer because every thumbnail that you just saw was created using AI under 5 minutes. And the best thing is, it was totally for free. So, want to know how? Let's get started. So, let's suppose I'm creating a thumbnail for this exact same video, how to create thumbnails using AI. First step, I'll go to YouTube, I'll search how to create thumbnails using AI, and I'll click on it, right? And now I'll scroll down, I'll select any thumbnail that I like. Let's suppose this one. I'll copy the link, share, copy the link, search on your browser YouTube thumbnail downloader, click on this first one, paste in your link, and as you can see, this is the exact same thumbnail. I'll click on download. This is the step number one, which is done. Second, what we have to do is go to Google Gemini, and obviously, it is for free. So if you're generating 4 to 5 thumbnails for your videos a month, it's like for free. So I'll upload that image that I just have downloaded, and here I have a prompt, and I'll share this prompt with you. And now I have to upload my images so that it get the idea of my face as well. So I have uploaded two of my images, and let's suppose you want to add any logo or text. Let's say I want to add a Gemini logo, so I'll upload that as well. So as you can see, I've uploaded this logo, and now based on the logo, I have updated this prompt. So basically, if you want to update any text or you have added any logo, so you have to update accordingly. And now just click on generate, and within 1 minute, you'll have your thumbnail. So now as you can see, it started generating. So as you can see, our thumbnail is just generated. So I'll click on download. It's just downloaded. Let me open this. So now our thumbnail is ready. And as you can see, we have this Gemini logo. So we have a fix for that as well. So now let's fix that. Go to this website. I'll give the link in the description. And by the way, I'm not affiliated by them, and this video is not sponsored. That's what I just use. So I'll select this image that I have just downloaded. So now we have to click on that manual erase and just click on where the logo is, something like this. Apply section, remove watermark, and wait. Within 1 minute, you will have your thumbnail, as you can see. So now we have our thumbnail without any watermark. I'll click on download, and so as you can see, a high quality thumbnail with that Gemini logo, and we have removed the logo as well. So this is how you can generate really amazing thumbnails for your videos for free using Gemini and some more tools. So if this sounds interesting, share it with someone who needs it, and make sure to like, follow, share, and subscribe.